Hello everybody, today I want to tell you how to install Windows 10 Sandbox to test any software without effect on our physical computer. It is just for temporary. After you close Sandbox, then the software run also. Okay, let's get started. So I zoom it. Okay, go to setting, and then you go to app. You go to no, you go to program and feature. Okay, you go to turn window feature on or off. Let's wait. So we need to scroll down and find looking for Windows Sandbox here. Okay. Okay. After it loading completed, you need to click restart. Okay, please click on restart. Okay, after restart, you go to search a window, and then you search for window sandbox here, this icon, so you can open it. Please wait. Let me zoom it. Wait for initialize. It need time to load it at first time. You need to initialize all. Require. Please wait on it. Okay, now it already start. So okay, let me minimize it to make it fit and easy to view. Okay. Okay. So this is like the new virtual machine for you to test. You don't need to install VirtualBox or VMware. It is easy to install any software. Okay. For example, I copy this folder, or I copy this app to it. Paste. Okay. I open it to install. For example, I install. Okay. I click install. Finish. Then this software already installed. But when I close it, okay, when you open it again, Windows Sandbox, let's wait. Okay, so everything gone, so you can test any software inside. For example, you want to test the software dangerous or not, you just copy it. Easy, you just copy and then you can paste here already. You see, it's very easy to use. Okay, so that's all. Good luck.